Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. Today I'll be showing you how I make my chocolate ganache or chocolate glaze. I mean, it's the same recipe, right? For me, yes. Either way, let's move straight into it. Firstly, I would be adding my chocolate. As you can see, I am doing this in a little quantity, so everything is little in here. I added my chocolate, my milk, and my butter. Melted it, and then it is time to turn it up to make it into a silky smooth chocolate ganache chocolate glaze. The full written details and recipe will be written down below in the description box, so do check that out. And if this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate that, and also please give this video a thumbs up. As you can see, our chocolate glaze or chocolate ganache is ready, and for this my recipe, as you can see, I did not use any heavy whipping cream. I just used my normal milk, so this is a go-go recipe for you guys. So please give it a try and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Love you all.